Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on the installation process for the Trueview Dual Lens 4G Solar Outdoor Pan-Tilt Camera. We'll cover everything from how to properly install the SIM card and memory card to configuring your internet connection and setting up the Truecloud mobile app for seamless integration with your device. Whether you're a first-time user or looking for a quick refresher, we've designed this tutorial to be straightforward and easy to follow, providing you with clear, step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth setup. So, without further delay, let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to power off your camera. This is crucial to prevent any potential damage to both the camera and your cards during the installation or removal process. It only takes a moment, but trust me, it can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Now, let's get started. The SIM and microSD card slots are conveniently located at the top of the rotating lens. Let's take a closer look at how to access them. First, gently lift the camera lens upward to reveal the inner components of your device. Next, you'll need to remove the cap that protects the card slots. Take your time with this step, we want to keep everything safe and sound. Carefully remove the cap, and you'll now see two card slots. The top slot is for your memory card, while the bottom slot is for the SIM card. You'll notice icons next to each slot that clearly indicate their purpose and direction, making it easy to know where to insert each card. Now, let's focus on inserting the memory card. Make sure you're using a high-quality microSD card, as this camera supports cards up to 256 GB. This storage capacity offers ample space for extended recording durations, making it an excellent choice for all your surveillance needs, whether residential or commercial. As you insert the memory card, ensure it fits snugly into the slot. Press it in until you hear a pleasant click, indicating that it's securely in place. If you ever need to remove it, simply press gently again, and it should pop right out effortlessly. Next, let's talk about recording capacity. With a 256 GB memory card, you can potentially record up to 7 to 10 days of footage. Keep in mind that this will depend on various factors, like video quality settings, frame rate, and whether you're using continuous recording or motion-triggered recording modes. Understanding how these options can affect your storage needs is incredibly useful. Now, let's move on to the SIM card. You'll find the SIM card slot conveniently located below the memory card slot. Again, be sure to insert it in the correct orientation, as indicated in the video, to ensure everything lines up properly. Once both cards are securely in place, double-check that the memory card is seated correctly. This step is essential to prevent any data loss or recording errors down the line. Before starting the mobile app configuration for your Trueview Dual Lens 4G Solar Outdoor Pan-Tilt Camera, it's essential to ensure that the camera is fully charged or connected to the solar panel for charging. A well-charged camera is crucial for a smooth setup, otherwise, you may power, minimizing the risk of interruptions during the setup process. At the bottom of the mounting panel, you'll find the on and off switch. Simply toggle the switch to on to power up the camera.
Network connection, please wait. 4G network connection succeeded.
After turning on the camera, listen for a voice prompt that says, "Network connection is succeeded," which confirms that the camera is ready for configuration and can be added to the mobile app. This reassuring audio cue lets you know that your camera has successfully connected to the 4G network, allowing you to proceed with the setup confidently. Download and install the Truecloud app. To download and install the Truecloud app, start by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type Truecloud and locate the app in the search results, ensuring that it is the version developed by Hikvision. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its page and click the Install button, accepting any permissions that may appear. This will initiate the download, and the installation will automatically proceed once the download is complete. The entire process typically takes just a few minutes. Once installed, you can launch the app directly by tapping Open or by finding the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. If you already have a Truecloud account, you can easily open the app and look for the login screen, where you'll enter your phone number or email in the designated field along with your password. Once you've filled this out, tap the Login button to access your account. If you're new to Truecloud, you'll need to register first. On the login screen, there will be an option to register. Choose either the email or mobile number method, based on your preference for account creation. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. As part of the registration process, you'll also need to complete a safety certification. This involves dragging the tennis ball on the screen to touch the racket through the dot. Once you complete this task, click the Register button to finish setting up your account. Once you've entered your email, the app will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email for this verification code, and once you find it, return to the app and enter the code in the designated field. This step confirms that you own the registered email address and helps secure your account. You'll also need to create your own password to complete the registration process. Additionally, you can link your phone number to your account for easier future logins. By doing this, you can log in using your phone number instead of your email address, making the process more convenient for you. This added flexibility allows quick access to your account whenever needed. During the setup process, the app may prompt you to allow and enable location services and Bluetooth features to integrate the camera easily with the app. When configuring the Trueview 4G camera, it's vital to keep it positioned near your phone during the initial setup. Once everything is configured, you can relocate the camera to your desired location. Before you start, ensure that the camera is in network connection mode. If necessary, press the Reset button to activate the camera and prepare it for linking to the app. This ensures a smooth and efficient setup process as you prepare to use your new camera.
Automatically searching for nearby devices. Please wait.
To add the camera in the Trueview app, simply tap on Add Device or the plus symbol, and then select the option to scan a QR code.
After the device is powered on and you hear a voice prompt from the device, scan the QR code on the body of the device.
Alternatively, the app may display a list of nearby searchable cameras. In this demonstration, I'll choose to scan the QR code from the camera. At this point, the app will request permission to access your photos, which is necessary for utilizing your device's camera scanner effectively. After granting this permission, locate the QR code on your camera's body, typically found on a sticker. Position your smartphone so that the camera scanner can clearly capture the QR code, and the app will automatically recognize and process it. This QR code contains vital identification and configuration information for the camera, and once scanned, the app will guide you through the next steps, including connecting the camera to the 4G network. Once the camera is online and connected to the 4G network, you'll hear a voice prompt or receive a notification in the app confirming that the setup is complete and that the camera is ready to use. In this section of the app, you can also adjust date and time settings, including the preferred date format. Additionally, you'll be able to give your device a custom name and specify its location. After configuring these settings, you can access live streaming from your camera, providing you with real-time monitoring capabilities to keep an eye on your surroundings. The app may also prompt you to save the camera QR code for future reference in case the QR code label on the camera gets tampered with or damaged. After successfully configuring the 4G connection and adding the camera to the Truecloud app, you can proceed to install the camera in its designated location. This step is crucial for ensuring that the camera is optimally positioned to monitor the desired area. Once installed, the camera becomes fully operational, offering features such as live streaming, which allows you to view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet, no matter where you are. The previously recorded footage, allowing you to review events that occurred while you were away. Additionally, the PTZ, pan tilt zoom, control gives you the flexibility to remotely adjust the camera's angle and zoom in on specific areas as needed. To check the status of the memory card, navigate to the camera settings, go to the record list, and select Storage Settings. If the card shows as uninitialized, click Storage Medium again and then select the Initialize button to format the card for recording. Once successfully initialized, the card status will change to In Use, and its storage capacity will be displayed. By default, the camera will record motion detection or event recordings, and you can customize this recording mode to suit your needs. To review the footage, click the Playback button and select the storage option to SD to view the footage stored on the SD card. All of these features can be easily accessed through the Truecloud app, which operates seamlessly over mobile data or Wi-Fi worldwide. This means you can monitor your property in real time, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. For more detailed information, be sure to check out additional segments of this video series, which will provide comprehensive explanations. Stay tuned as we cover essential topics such as storage settings, which dictate how recorded footage is saved and accessed, and event alerts that notify you of specific activities detected by the camera. We'll also explore two-way audio capabilities, enabling communication through the camera, along with other important configurations that will enhance your overall experience with the Hikvision camera system. This comprehensive approach will empower you to make the most of your device's features. If you found this video useful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your contributions help us create more informative content and ensure we can continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's by liking the video, sharing it with others, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support truly makes a difference and is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being part of our community.